Okay, November 29th, 2023 market review. It's been a little over a week. Holidays, out and about, busy. That's my best excuse. Forex here, we've seen continuation of the dollar. We're looking for this low here. We've taken below, working inside this buy side imbalance now. See, we poked this old low here, rejected. I'm going to look for price to continue lower into CE of this wick, and then I'm going to at that point kind of gauge the market reaction. But to me, this is next area I'm watching. GBP, this swing high here, looks like it's going to get tagged. You can see this weekly wick here. You can see came down, touched it today, pushing higher. I'm expecting this to get ran through. Australian dollar, beautiful bullish order flow here. Projected this wick, got above, came down, retested, and that's now sending us higher. We've fallen just short of midterm of this order block here. I'm still expecting price to push higher. The eventual draw being back through these highs here. I don't know that it continues to just straight line like this, but this is the area I'm watching. After that, I'm going to look for this swing high here, actually CE of this wick. Those will be some levels before I think we get up here and clean those out. Euro is a weekly SIBI here. This is where I'm watching. I think the draw is. I am watching CE of this wick. We could get a rejection here, pull back, fill this in before pushing higher. So this is the next area I'm watching. Half here, swing high, CE. It lines up right with this candle's open. That'd be a 11869 is where I would put your targets right now. Let's go to bonds. Dollar talked about expecting lower into this wick. 10-year, 30-year, both pushing, completely filled in this buy side imbalance, completely overran now. CE of this wick here I'm watching, but it looks like to me this buy side imbalance here, we're going to clean out these lows. That's what I'd imagine. That's where we'll back into. We'll see though. One thing at a time. CE first. 30-year, same thing. CE of this wick, I'm looking for us to push down into there. If we do get below there, I'm completely looking at these lows and looking for this to get in. We are in a discount now, so at the point I'm expecting a little pop and retracement. I'm not expecting this to just fall out of bed, so that'll be the area I'm watching. And then ZNZ, see we've pulled up into these weekly volume imbalances. We've got a daily up here above these highs. To me, it looks like I'm gonna look to see if this volume imbalance here is used to support and used as a launching pad to clear out this high and maybe wick or poke into here. This swing high, I do wonder if we're going to be revisiting back above here. It does kind of feel to me a bit that we are going to push above that high, maybe into CE of this wick here. You see 111215. So that's an area I would watch here. One standard deviation from this last plunge lower. Let's go to indices. Swing high here. ES came up, fell a few ticks short. ES or NQ, CE of this wick, few wicks short, few ticks short. My God. Not convinced that we have topped I'd not be surprised to see a retracement from here, though, before gathering up some more orders before we do go clear out those highs. The market does have a tendency to retrace before taking significant highs. This is an intermediate term high here. You see short-term high, high in between. So we could see a pullback before higher here. Something to keep in mind. I would want price to come back and stay above CE of this wick here. As long as we do that, I'm going to expect us to continue higher. NASDAQ really keep low intact, hold this volume imbalance here. CE of this wick from November 28th, hold that, and I'll continue to expect higher to wipe this high. If we get below there and start those PD rays turn to resistance, then I'm going to look for these weekly buy-side imbalances here to I can offer a buying opportunity before we clear out these highs. YM continues to truck along, volume imbalance here. That looks to be the draw to me. And dollar, like we said, see that wick. The reason I'm kind of expecting them to end up running through these highs here, because the dollar to me does look like it has lower in store. I would not think this is done, but maybe we get a little pop drop again. I don't know. One thing at a time. For now, that structure has not changed. Continue to expect higher. Let's go to ES. ES this week, consolidated Monday. Took all the stops. One more time push into the morning before running out these relative equal highs, coming back, retracement, opportunity, run out the prior week high. See, we fell just short of that swing high here before eventually retracing, clearing out the London stops and stopping, wicking below this buy side imbalance here. Now we're just consolidating. 15, really nothing to report. Let's go down to the 5. 5 was interesting. Consolidation overnight's market maker sell model. Right here. Consolidation, expansion. Consolidation, expansion. Once again, consolidation, key level reversal. The old swing high, few ticks short, but close enough. There's SMT here, and Q is not making higher highs as this goes higher. And then you get just an immediate boom down. Cleans out all these lows. We retrace back up into, what is this last? Buy side imbalance here that was used to propel us here. Broke down below that, come back up. Retest right into this SIBI. One meets the tick. Left could do a retracement play here. See, there's SMT here. Could buy in here. Look to clear these and exit at the low. But the best setup would have waited for the retracement to get continuation. You get the retrace breakdown, market structure shift, 2022 model. SIBI right here. Can take some off at these lows. This is the London open buy side imbalance, and then the London low for your target. We did retrace through lunch, very slow, choppy, and now we are. I'm not going to be trading this. Just we could retrace higher. Honestly, that's kind of what I expect. I don't expect to go take out this high. I could see this high here from the week taken out. Let's actually move this. Say this is probably the draw on price here. See it come back up into 458275. I would look for CE, most likely 458625. Get down on the 1, see if that lines up. Yeah, I would right here. 4-5. Let's do 8-5 to be safe. That's where I would expect price to draw. I think we're going to take out some morning shorts. I think we've taken out enough longs, and I wouldn't expect any continuation in the PM session, personally. But we'll come back and see tomorrow. This could just completely chop up. Given we had a huge, this was a price run that lasted over 6 hours, and then we had a full unwind over the next 2 hours. So that's 8 hours of significant price movement. I think that this could end up being quite a chop zone for the remainder of the day. Let's see what NQ is doing. Yeah, I wouldn't trade this personally, but you know. Okay, yeah, that's gonna be it today. I'll